With Lead Automator, you'll have access to 10 summary boxes located at the top of your My Properties page, starting with vacant and ending with bankruptcy. These summary boxes show how many properties are available within each category whenever you click on a list in your My Properties page. The summary boxes also act as a quality assurance check. When building a list, they highlight potential issues, such as a missed filter you don't need, or they can indicate properties that are more motivated and should be prioritized. Not only can you isolate properties within a specific category, but you can also add more filters by selecting the Edit icon at the top right of each summary box. The filter menu for editing summary boxes is similar to the one on the main search page. Just select any additional criteria and click Apply. For example, this feature can be especially useful if you're looking at vacant properties and want to know if they have a mortgage. In addition to isolating and refining categories, you can completely replace them with your own custom criteria. Simply click the Edit icon, clear out the preset filters, rename the box, add a description, and apply any filters from the menu. Once you've cleared the preset filters, renamed the box, and applied your custom filters, click Apply to completely replace the default summary box. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and follow for the latest news and updates on PropStream.